Tired of constant arguments with your partner? Learn the art of compromise and build a stronger, happier marriage. Compromise doesn't mean giving up. It's about finding creative solutions that benefit both partners. Discover how to make it work in your relationship. The essential ingredient: understanding compromise in marriage. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're talking about something super important for relationships: compromise. Yeah, I know, it sounds kinda boring, but trust me, it's the secret sauce to a happy relationship, especially when you're navigating the crazy world of marriage. Forget the old "I win, you lose" drama. In a real relationship, compromise is all about finding a we-win situation. It's not about giving up what you want, it's about finding creative solutions that make both of you happy. Think of it like building the ultimate Lego castle. You both bring your best ideas to the table. Let's say you and your boo are planning a weekend getaway. You're dying to hit the amusement park, but they're all about that chill beach vibe. Instead of a total meltdown, you could compromise. Maybe you spend the morning at the amusement park, then chill on the beach in the afternoon. Boom! Everyone's happy. The key is listening. Seriously, put down your phone and actually hear what your partner is saying. Why do they want to go to the beach? Maybe they need some serious relaxation time. Understanding their perspective is half the battle. Sometimes, compromise means bending a little, or a lot. It might mean skipping your favorite band's concert to go to their family dinner. But guess what? Showing you care is way more important than winning a silly argument. Plus, you might actually have a blast at the family dinner. Compromise isn't about being a pushover, it's about teamwork. It's about showing your partner that you value their feelings and are willing to work together. Think of it as a collaborative project, where you're both designers of your awesome relationship. So next time you're facing a disagreement, remember the we-win approach. Listen, understand, and get creative. It's the secret ingredient to a relationship that's fun, exciting, and totally awesome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more relationship tips. And let me know in the comments what are your best compromise strategies. Let's chat.